Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on
A true dual sport bike with evolved on and off-road capabilities. The perfect choice for touring Canada's scenic backroads or adventuring off the beaten path. This is the CRF 300 Rally Edition. Here are some of the highlights. A powerful 286cc fuel-injected double overhead cam engine with a 6-speed gearbox. Lighter, tougher construction. ABS braking, large LCD multi-information display, and aggressive modern styling. Okay, let's take a closer look. Inspired by the Honda CRF 450 Dakar rally bike, this bike features aggressive styling with sharp, powerful lines. The dual headlight design is seamlessly set into the windscreen for a sleek, modern look, and the compact design of the taillight integrates nicely into the rear fender, and distinctive, eye-catching graphics finish off its aggressive look. Powering this 300 Rally is a 286cc fuel-injected double overhead cam engine with a 6-speed gearbox. The gear ratio has been optimized to better transfer the power generated by the engine to the ground, while the output characteristics have been adjusted to create a more linear power curve, as well as improving output in the low to mid speed ranges. The 300 Rally comes standard with an assist slipper clutch, reducing rear wheel lockup and hop on downshifts, as well as making the clutch lever easier to squeeze, reducing rider fatigue, especially on longer trail rides. Every 300 Rally comes standard with an ABS braking system with the ability to turn it off with just the press of a button. Honda has paid close attention to ergonomics and ride comfort as well. The seat is wider than the standard 300 model, improving comfort for longer rides. The handlebars have been positioned to create a natural riding position that you feel through your shoulders and arms, as well as being engineered to reduce vibration. This large LCD display is easy to read at a glance with contrasting black letters on a white background. It displays functions such as gear position, fuel consumption, average speed, a rev indicator, and even a stopwatch. Comfort and maneuverability are also increased with slimmer knee and thigh grip areas, and the foot peg placement allows for easy operation of the foot controls. The forged aluminum frame and swing arm have been optimized to improve maneuverability and contact with the ground while keeping the overall weight down. The exhaust system has been specifically designed for dual sport riding by adopting a structure that reduces vibration and noise. This large, heavy-duty fuel tank will hold almost 13 liters, giving you a longer range. These lighter features work together to improve the performance, handling, and maneuverability whether you're on-road or off. The CRF 300 Rally also features over 10 inches of ground clearance, allowing you to tackle those challenging obstacles when you're off-road. Ride quality is excellent due to increased suspension stroke and by optimizing the suspension settings. The wheels are lightweight and tough. The tires are aggressive and capable of handling almost anything. Rally-inspired endurance, lightweight and easy to handle, the 300 Rally with Honda's legendary reliability is the ideal machine for your next dual sport adventure.
Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.